I came, I saw, and I contoured, okay. Stay tuned for a step-by-step tutorial on how to highlight and contour with a flawless finish. Hey Beat and Bombays, Renee Mar here, on-site makeup artist, beauty enthusiast, and now YouTuber. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to this beginner-friendly tutorial. So if you're new here, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. Here's what you need to follow along today. Primer, foundation and a brush, highlighting concealer, 2 beauty blenders, contour, setting powder, setting spray, and a small angled and small blending brush for nose contouring. You about to go from defeated to beat it, from boom to bomb. So it's time to drop the beat and bomb out this face. Bruh. Thumbs up this video for the culture. We are first going to start with priming all over your face. I'm using Smashbox Photo Finishing Primer. A little goes a long way. Next is foundation. This is the base for highlighting and contouring. The more product you use, the more coverage you'll have. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me with the Elizabeth Arden foundation brush, but you can apply foundation directly to your face. I'll be blending my foundation with a damp beauty blender from Morphe. They are so affordable and they do the job seamlessly. Did I mention that the products I'm using in this video will be listed below? We are moving on to highlighting the face. Make sure that it's a shade or two lighter than your foundation. I'm highlighting under my eyes and straight down the middle of my face. It is time to pounce and blur those lines evenly. Blend your nose with your finger. Ladies, now the contouring begins. I'm contouring my nose first with the angled brush and a little bit of product from Buxom Cosmetics Ultimate Brow Palette. You want to start below where your brow starts and alongside your nose. Softly buff away hard lines towards the sides of your nose, not your bridge. You also want to create a shadow where your nostrils meet. I'm blending it out even more with my Morphe M164, which is a game changer for contouring. Wow, my nose looks smaller already. Now that the nose is snatched, I'm contouring my cheek hollows, which is right below my cheekbones, my forehead, and along my jawline. I'm using a cool tone brown for a soft, natural look. But look how dramatic a warm tone brown is. You want to blend your jawline down, cheek hollows up, as well as your forehead. Next up is setting powder. Get a dry beauty blender, babe. Mine is from Eco Tools. I'll be setting with Huda Beauty loose baking powder and the color Blondie, which is high end, but it gets the job done, y'all. Setting powder helps with creasing and blurring lines. I'm putting the powder where the highlight and contour meet. Now let's dust all that excess powder away. Ta-da! Last step, setting spray. Melts all your layers together. For real, you want to make sure everything is melted. I went from defeated to beat it, from boom to bomb. and you can too. Thank you for tuning in to another bomb tutorial. Subscribe here weekly for videos every Friday and Sunday. Twice a week just isn't enough, huh? So check me out on my social media at grenade_mar. Boom that subscribe button in, bomb that like button, and don't forget to share. Bless your timeline. Just bless your timeline. May your day be as bomb as you are. Booyah! Thanks for watching, guys. Booyah. I can't even. How do y'all see? How do I get you guys to see the confetti?
Bomb beauty tips like confetti. Grenade Mar. Yeah, Grenade Mar.